Alright, hello YouTube, this is Content Kid Films here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the motherboard for my new computer I'm going to be building. So let's first start off with some of the features this motherboard has. This is the Sabertooth 990FX by ASUS. This motherboard can handle 8 cores of processing, 32 gigabytes of memory. It has HD audio, and it is for AMD processors. So anyways, let's unbox it. Alright.
Nice, it comes in a case.
She has its own fucking case.
Of course, to protect it. Don't take it out of that plastic, just like...
Alright, so right here is the motherboard. You probably can't see it, but alright, now the contents inside is a tough inside sticker, the I/O shield, all the I/O connections to the motherboard and everything. You get the user guide, warranty, and a certificate of reliability. So that's basically what comes with the Sabertooth 990FX motherboard. Strictly for gaming. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on my computer build. So thank you guys for watching.